For businesses using Microsoft Teams for collaboration, Elevate provides a feature-rich, enterprise-grade communication system that seamlessly integrates within the Teams application, creating a powerful, efficient communications and collaboration experience delivered on one centralized platform. Introducing Elevate for Teams Advanced, the ultimate integration of Microsoft Teams collaboration tools with Elevate's advanced cloud-based phone system, all in one unified app. Elevate's embedded integration seamlessly operates inside the Teams app without requiring a Microsoft phone license.
Hello?
Leverage Microsoft Teams for all your business collaboration essentials. Then use Elevate's advanced communication features, including unlimited local and long-distance calling, over 100+ enterprise-grade phone system features, including advanced calling, voicemail, business texting, and call analytics. And your presence status syncs between Teams and Elevate to keep your workflow uninterrupted. Elevate for Teams Advanced also integrates with popular CRM platforms like ServiceNow, Salesforce, NetSuite, and more. And in the event you can't log into Teams, you can rely on the Elevate mobile or web app to manage your business communications and keep your business connected from anywhere. With Elevate for Teams Advanced, you get exceptional technical support provided by trusted advisors. All from Elevate. Visit us to learn more and get started today.